everyone, we are on the road. We had a great overnight stay. In this video, we are doing a short review of a BLM dispersed camping area that is a convenient overnight for us traveling on the Interstate 15 through Nevada, Arizona, and Utah. Plus, we have feedback on our first real test of the mini split air conditioner and a great way to save money on fuel. So stick around and come explore with us. Cedar Pocket Road is an exit off the Interstate 15. The Virgin River State Campground, which is still closed, is south of the highway towards the river, and the BLM area that we stayed in is north towards the canyon. As you exit the pavement, there's a few larger pull-off spots you can take. We've stopped here a few times for midday driving breaks. I do recommend staying in these earlier spots if you have a larger trailer or rig, or maybe it's getting too dark. I will note that on my recent daytime stops, I have seen some trash and abuse, which is one of the reasons we prefer to keep heading back into the canyon. So let's check it out. About 1 mile in and through the canyon, the first spot appears. And just around the next turn is the new trailhead for Cedar Pocket Wash. Beyond the trailhead fencing is the original area we were headed for. It has great views into the wash and had been previously used for camping. However, that is no longer available. With that option gone, we continued further down the road. The road splits and Steve headed to the right past a horse corral and found another canyon side spot that worked out really well for our stay. It seems to pay off to just keep exploring until you find what you're looking for. That also usually means planning for time to do that before dark descends. This day was in June 2021 and the drive-in was miserably hot. By the time we were set up, the outside temperature was down to 103 degrees Fahrenheit and the inside temperature was still at 107, and that's at 9 p.m. So it was a good time to test our new mini split air conditioner and to get cooled off so we could sleep. We ran the AC on jet mode to bring it down under 100 and then continued running normally until we can get the indoor temps to the mid 80s. By then 2 hours have passed and it's after 11 p.m. We left that AC running on low all night long. The power consumption was along what we expected from the unit. For us during drive days, this isn't a problem. We will recharge the battery back to 100% over a few hours with the second alternator. I included the basic data points on our blog along with the campsite GPS coordinates for Cedar Pocket Road. Check it out.
We made it to our fuel up station, and here's a tip that I thought I would share is we were clued into a program called EFS Card. And that allows us to get gas at a truck stop with a discount. So you get an app. Actually, you have to register first and give them, and it links to a debit card or a checking account. And once you have that, you have the software. You can log in with your account number and a PIN, and it will tell you a price locator so you can find stops that are in the program, and it works really well. There's been a few times we had come to a truck stop that wouldn't take the card, but Steve was able to get it fixed easily by going inside, and it's quite a bit cheaper. We're actually surprised. So this particular gas station diesel is $3.59, and when we get the charge back, it'll be $3.29 a gallon. So that's some savings. Good tip, EFS. I'll put a link in the description of this video so you can check that out yourself.
As I mentioned, there are more details on both the first time test of the mini split AC and our Cedar Pocket Road Camp location on the blog. Until next week, thank you for joining us and checking out our custom camper and travels. We greatly appreciate hearing from you, especially getting questions on the rig. Click that thumbs up if you liked the video and drop us a comment or question below. We'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to follow our continued progress and travels in this new rig. We are here to share and inspire others who are building and traveling in RVs. We hope to see you out on the road, and good luck with your working and exploring.